Over Christmas holiday, I went to Stone Mountain with my family, and as I was there, I looked at all the employees, and a great deal of the employees were black. And I wondered how they felt about this monument, this carving in stone to the generals of the Confederacy, and how they felt working there every day and staring at those guys. And I realized that it's time. It's time for this to become more than a Confederate general memorial. It's time for it to be a Civil War memorial. Look at all that space all around those guys. There's room for depicting all of those beautiful, wonderful slaves, those slaves who gave their life for freedom, who suffered, and who were the means of the South growing prosperous financially. But they deserve the right to be heard and seen and spoken just as much as the Confederate generals, if not more. It's time. It's time to progress as a country and as a people. It's time to represent more than just one side of a story. We need both sides of the Civil War and the South story up on that monument.